The world has changed, and we must change with it.
I think it's beautiful. I really like it.
The likeness is startling.
It's exciting because I've never been in the real Oval Office. IKEA did a really good job.
At Washington's Union Station, IKEA has built a replica of the Oval Office where all the furnishings have been replaced with IKEA furniture.
Just like Obama's campaign changed the message from IKEA. It's showcasing a replica of the Oval Office.
IKEA urges consumers to embrace change. It even furnished a mock Oval Office.
So we hear affordable furniture chain IKEA built an Oval Office replica complete with IKEA furniture, of course, inside a DC train station.
Get in your head and vomit down for a dream. Slip on a tie and take it out on the scene. Tell all your friends to meet the...
Who's in a limo ride with the couch on the top?
I'm glad to see that Obama's embracing the whole affordability in this time.
On home decor giant IKEA pulled out all the stops with what looks like the presidential limo packed with IKEA furniture.
This motorcade may look presidential, but it's actually an ad campaign for furniture giant IKEA.
This is allegedly President-elect Barack Obama using a government limo to deliver a chair from IKEA.